how to return and get refund on items on AliExpress. Hello guys, this is Atticus from Create Login and Delete. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get return and get refunded on items on AliExpress. So let's get started. First thing you'll want to do is open up your AliExpress. So after you open it up, go to your account section on the bottom right. So right here, you'll be able to see your orders. You need to tap on view all to see a more clear view of your orders. So tap on view all, and right here you will be able to see all of your products that you have ordered or you have bought. You can check if you have to pay it, if you have to ship, if it's already shipped, and even your refunds and returns. So go to view all, and in this section you will see the products that you have ordered, and right here under here you will get an option that says return or refund. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, you will need to justify and verify why you want to return the product. Now it might be damaged, or it might be because you don't want this product, and if it was not what you asked for. So you can tap on refund or return, and after you do so, you'll need to justify, and after you justify, depending on the product and its seller, you will get refunded partially or fully. So yeah, that is how you get refunded and you return the items on AliExpress. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comment box below, and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos.